Hello amazing fan, welcome you back again to my channel. So if this is the very first time of coming across my channel, you're welcome. In today's video we'll be talking about how to create shorts. If you're a growing YouTuber or a new content creator, you need to create shorts because it will help you to grow more subscribers into your channel. Yes, meanwhile there are two ways of creating shorts. You can as well create shorts with your phone, okay, directly with your phone, and as well create shorts with video that you have already created in your long form video. So you can as well script out a little bit part of it and start creating your short. So now the first method I will tell you guys is creating short with your phone. Now if you want to create short with your phone directly from your phone, please you place your phone like this and create your short. You place your phone like this and create your short. Okay, so without wasting our time, let me just teach you guys the first method on how to create your short. Immediately you go into your phone, then you've already created your videos. Immediately you have already created your videos. Now let us go in there. So after you create your videos, okay, now you already have your video. Now you want to call it, as you want it to be short video, you go to your InShot app, or you can as well use any app of your choice. Okay, there are so many apps that you can use in editing videos. For me now, I use InShot app in editing my videos. You can as well use Canva, use other apps. They all have the same functions. So after doing that, you just go into your app, then import the video into your app. Immediately you import the video into your app, okay, then the next thing that you will do, then you go to the Canva in your phone, then you click on the Canva, then you pick 9.9. So immediately you pick 9.9, it will just change like this. Then you drag the Canva. Immediately you drag the Canva, then you have already turned it to become shorts. Then immediately you export that video. That is the first method I'm teaching you guys. Then the second method is like this. Then the second method is the one that you go into your YouTube studio immediately. As I'm talking, you'll be seeing it here. You go into your YouTube studio immediately, and immediately you see your YouTube studio. Then you see that plus sign. Click your hands. Just click on that plus sign. Immediately you click on that plus sign, you're going to see video, short, live, and post. And then you see live, video, short, live, and post. Then you click on short because you want to create a short video. So immediately you click on short, then you click your hands on the add. Then when you click on add, you see your long form video. Click on that long form video, then you click on next. Then immediately that video will come out. Now you're going to script out the important parts of the video that you need. Come in. Then you script out the important part of the video that you need. Okay, yes, don't allow it to be very long. It's a very short form. Then don't allow it to be very long. It's a very short part. Okay, pick out the important parts that you'll be using for that video. So immediately you pick out the important part. Okay, that's the one that can capture your audience, audience. Just pick out the important part, then to start processing, as you guys are seeing here. As it's processing immediately, don't allow the number to be very, very long. Maybe like 3 minutes, not up to 3 minutes, maybe 1 minute is okay. Then immediately you do like that. Then just look at my beautiful face, because this is the face I'm using to do this video, guys. Then you click on that mark sign, that's good sign. Then you see the video. Now you are going to work here. Now if you look at the sound, add sound. This video that I'm doing is a teaching video, so I'm not going to be adding sound. I don't have any business with any sound here, so I'm not going to pick it any sound, okay, because it's an educative video. But if it's an entertainment video, you can pick any sound that resonates with that video, okay. Yeah, so we are going to be working now. You can see colors. You can pick any colors of your choice, but I don't need that for now. So I just click on the text, that's the A. I write tips because I'm teaching on YouTube tips. Okay, now play around with it. There are colors. You can pick any colors of your choice. For me, I'm going to be picking maybe white, something like this for this video. So when you pick on that, you click on that good sign. That is, you are done. Yes, as you guys can see, I'm just trying to look for a color, but I think I'm okay with this one. Now I pick on that good sign. I'm back. Now you can click on that voice in case you want to change the voice. You maybe want to do a voice record, or maybe there's something that you want to say that you forgot. You can click on that and talk, and you can as well record. But I'm not going to be doing that, okay? So now it's time for us to add our details in the video. Now in this place, you are going to be very, very careful, okay? Yes, do what you want to do. Now I want to pick a thumbnail. Note that picking a thumbnail here is different with the way we pick our normal thumbnail in our long form videos. It's very, very different. So you're going to click on that pencil sign and pick a picture or a thumbnail that will go in line with what you are teaching here. Okay, so it's not like in long form video whereby we can just, we can as well pick any, go to our YouTube and create a thumbnail and go there and change it. No, it's not like that. Here you have to pick, a thumbnail. If not, YouTube is going to give you their own thumbnail and you might not like it. So you're going to look at your, your video, what you have done. Then you pick a thumbnail that resonates with that video. Okay, then pick a thumbnail. Immediately you pick the thumbnail, then you can as well write your title. Please, when you are writing your title, this is a short video, don't write long title. Everything about short is short. Okay, everything about them is short. So the people that are watching short form videos are different from the people that are watching long form videos. Okay, the people that are watching a short form video, they don't have patience. They are very, very patientless people. They don't have patience, so they cannot, be calm to watch that long. Most of them, they don't even read the titles. They're just captured by the pictures and they go ahead and watch. Okay, so you have to be very careful. And when you just read the short title, they can watch it and that might take them to your long form video. We are still going there. Okay, now let's keep. Then you click on that title. Immediately you click on the title, then you write your title. Like me, I'm writing it. I want to write YouTube tips, something like that. Then I'll hashtag it if you want to hashtag. But hashtag, I think, is very, very important. It's not even I think. So I love putting hashtag. I can as well write my hashtag. Hashtag SEO, that's searchable topic. Hashtag YouTube tips. Hashtag short videos. Hashtag viral shorts. These are the hashtags I normally use. Then sometimes I put related down. Okay, then I'll just write related. Then I will, because of that related, I will always see there. We are still going there. So I'm still trying to hashtag. Then after I finish my hashtag, then the next thing is to do the necessary things, fill in those informations that are there, because they really, if this video is so catchy, they're going to go and watch the long form videos. Trust me, guys, they're going to subscribe to your channel and they will go and watch the long form video. So this is me writing the hashtags public because I don't want it to go on public. I still have other things I'm going to do here. It's not like a long form video. This is a short form video. So I'm going to be putting my related video. The video that look exactly like what you're posting in the short. In case you have not created a long form video for this video, that's the short. You can as well pick any video that can, make them to subscribe to your channel. So I've done that. Then the next thing I'm going to be doing, altered related. Now let me explain this altered related for you people. Now this altered related is a process whereby maybe use AI to do the video. You can as well put yes, but I do not use AI. This is me doing my own video. So I put no, I did not copy anybody's content to do this. Okay, now the next thing, you're going to the low allow video and audio remixing. I don't normally go there, so it's always no. Add paid promotion. Yes, if you are sponsored to do this video, you can as well write it yes because you are sponsored. But if you are not sponsored, you can as well put no, please. Okay, yes. So the next thing that we're going to be doing is upload the short. Now remember that this video is still on a unlisted. It's unlisted. So if you want it to be unlisted, tips, it simply means that nobody will see that video except the people that you send the link to. They are the one that will be seeing that video. Now the one that is membership simply means that the people that are paying you every month. It's just like sub to sub, as in just like buying data MB every month. Okay, now these people now, they are just supporting your channels, supporting you in your business and what you are doing. So they just support you every month. So there are some videos that you want to send to them, you can send it to them to watch. It's not everybody that will get access to that video. It's only your members, people that are supporting you. So this is me also telling you guys, if you want to support my channel, please support my channel. There are some things that I will not come out here to say, but if you are my member and you are supporting my channel every month, just a small token, maybe like 400 naira, 4,000, 1,000 every month, you'll be paying it into my account, into our YouTube account. Yes. So if you have any question, personal things, maybe you don't want to say it out here, you can as well let me know, and I will gladly, talk to you on member. Okay, and in that membership, you can as well have my personal number that I will not bring out here, and that will help you to reach out to me personally. In fact, being a member is just like we are family. Okay, there are things I will not come out here to say, and you being a member, you're going to get it. Okay, yes, it's not everything that we say here. So being a member is very important. And also the public, when you post your video on public, everybody's going to see it. There's no more hiding place for it. So that is why I still keep it on unlisted. Now let us continue. I finished everything. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be uploading the shots. Now it's already is to be uploaded, but meanwhile it's not public yet. It's not public yet. Yes, so now it's already uploaded. That's why they told me uploaded to your video. Now I'll go to that place. I'll click on it and look at the video that I've uploaded. Just look at the video. I'm going to click on that 3 dots to edit, because I'm going to do some things before I make it public. Now look at the video here. The next thing I'm going to do, on this add description, I'm going to describe about this video, because that will help you to push this video far away. So I'm going to add description. You know the way you normally write your description, your long form video, write it here, make everything short. Yes, the next thing you're going to do is I'm going to be adding my tags. This tag is very, very important. I know some people don't understand these tags, but this is a secret that will help YouTube to push your video so far. Seriously, because when other videos are playing, your video is going to be among them that will be coming up. Yes, your video is going to be among the videos that will be coming up. So always use this hashtag, both in your long form video and your short form videos, guys. It's very, very important. Now after doing that, you can look at the playlist, click on the playlist, live streaming, because I have already arranged my playlist. In case you don't know how to create a playlist, please let me know. I'm going to do a video about that. Already I have videos about that, but if you want me to create a video about that, I'm going to create a video about that and let you know how to use all this, because these are what you really, really need for you to get subscribers and I think watch hours, if you are looking for watch hours on the street. Yeah, so after doing all those things, I'm going to be clicking on save. Yes, so look at me, I'm still trying to add more more hashtags for my, I love using hashtags, seriously. In case if they didn't see it here, they will see it here, but your hashtags should correlate. Okay, they shouldn't be this different thing. There should be something that is similar. So right now I've already made it public right now, because I have done what I'm supposed to do. So I already made it public. Now the next thing is to save. Immediately I save it, that video is going to be public. Now look at it, it's already public because I'm already monetized. So it's showing the green sign, that's the meaning, the dollar sign. So guys, with this, I hope you guys have already understood how to create a short form videos. Yes, in case you want to use sound on your short form videos, please go and start using on trending sound. Use trending sound, to the trending sound that people are already using. Like me now, most of my short form videos are really, really going viral, and I love it. Although I don't really need it at this point of my life, but I really, really love it, because one is, it gives me engagement on my shorts. Yes, so it gives engagement on my shorts. Okay, so with this my little explanation, I hope you are able to understand how to create a short form video. If you're a new subscriber, please, thank you for always coming to watch my videos, please. And if you're a new subscribers, please don't make this video your last. Please subscribe and join my family. Okay, love you guys. Bye.